Good evening everyone. So today we are going to solve exercise 6.7.a fourth problem. So I am continuing this part as part 3. So every video has 20 minutes. So let us start this video. So now we know that tan square. So now 6 of sine secant square x minus 1 minus 2 cos square x is equals to, we know that cos 2x formula is equals to cos square x minus 1. We have wrote this formula because here we can see cos square x, so we can write 2 cos square x minus 1. So now 6 secant square x minus 6 minus 2 cos square x is equals to 2 cos square x minus 1. So now we can take the RHS to left hand side. So 6 secant square x minus 6 minus 2 cos square x minus 2 cos square x plus 1 is equals to 0. So now what we are gonna do? So we can write secant square x in terms of cos square x. So 6 by cos square x minus 6. We can write this minus 2 cos x is equals to minus 4 cos square x plus 1 is equals to 0. So 6 cos square x we will write in the quadratic form, minus 4 cos square x minus 5 is equals to 0. So next we need to multiply here. So multiplying this to this and this. So 6 minus 4 power cos power 4x minus 5 cos square x is equals to 0. So cos square x here. We'll send cos square x to the right hand side. So the equation will be 6 minus 4 cos power 4x minus 5 cos square x is equals to 0. So now we will take minus common, 4 cos power 4x minus common we have taken. So minus common, so plus 5 cos square x minus 6 is equals to 0. So now we can see this is the quadratic form. So now we can write 4 cos power 4x plus we can write 8 cos square x minus 3 cos square x minus 6 is equals to 0. So now we'll take 4 cos square x common. 4 cos square x common. What will be remaining? Cos square x plus 2 will be remaining. So here we will take same as this, 3s common, minus s common, cos square x plus 2 is equals to 0. So 4 cos square x into cos square x plus 2. We are taking 4 cos square x common. Now cos square x plus 2. Here we are taking minus 3 common. Cos square x plus 2 is equals to 0. So we are using the upper part. So now from this equation we will take 4 cos square x into so by this equation 4 cos square x plus 2 and another equation 4 cos square x minus 3. So cos square x is equals to minus 2, cos x is equals to plus or minus 2. So it's not defined for cos x is not defined for root 2. Now cos square x is equals to 4 cos square x equals to 3, cos square x is equals to 3 by 4, cos x is equals to root 3 by 2. Sorry, plus or minus root 3 by 2. So we got plus or minus root 3 by 2. So now we know for x is equals to pi by 6, that is for cos 30 degrees. For cos 60 degrees. So we know that for cos 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2. For x is equals to 30. So for x is equals to pi by 6. 3 by 2 is the answer. So x is equals to pi by 6. So we know that general solution formula. So what is general solution? X is equals to n pi plus or minus pi by 6. So when n belongs to z, so we got the answer. So now we got the answer. So now in this problem, so we can see right hand side, we will send it to the left hand side. So what it will be, cos square theta plus root 3 minus 2 root 2 into root 3 plus 1 cos theta. So now 4 cos square theta plus root 3, let's expand the term, 2 root 3 cos theta plus root 2 cos theta. So we have 0 is equals to 0 is equals to 0. So now okay, it's not root 2, it's minus 2. So it's minus 2 cos theta is equals to minus 2 cos theta is equals to 0. So now here we're gonna take 2 cos square theta as common. 2 cos theta, we will take 2 cos theta common. So 2 cos theta, so here we are having 2 minus, so we will so directly we will take like this, 4 cos square theta minus 2 cos theta minus 2 cos theta plus root 3 is equal to 0. So by this we can solve this. We will take 2 cos theta common. 2 cos theta common is the 2 cos theta minus root 3. Here go to minus 1 common is 2 cos theta minus root 3. We will get minus root 3. So 2 cos theta minus root 3 into 2 cos theta minus 1 is equals to 0. So now we can write cos theta is equals to root 3 by 2 and cos theta is equals to 1 by 2. They are both defined by the same term. So we are getting two solutions. We will have two general solutions. For cos theta is equals to pi by 6 and for cos theta is equals to pi by 3. So what is the formula of general solution? N pi plus or minus pi by 6, n pi plus or minus pi by 3. So the general solution is 2n pi plus or minus pi by 6, 2n pi plus or minus pi by 3 when n belongs to integers. So we have the next problem. We will continue this. So we can see this formula as a minus b whole square. So we will substitute the formulas. 1 plus sin 2x is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So we got this. So by this we can see so now we can see a formula 2 cos sin a cos b. So what is the formula? 1 plus sin 2x. So we get 2 cos sin a cos b is equals to sin 2a formula. So now 1 plus sin 2x is equals to sin 3x whole square plus cos 3x whole square minus, so we know that sin 2x form. So we can see also this is in sin square plus cos square. So we know that sin theta square plus cos theta square is equals to 1. So 1 plus sin 2x is equals to 1 minus sin 2 of 3x. So now we can write to the left hand side 1 plus sin 2x. So it is sin 6x. So plus sin 6x minus 1 is equals to 0. So minus 1 plus 1 cancels. Sin 2x plus sin 6x is equals to 0. So now we got the formula in the form of sin c plus sin d formula. So what is sin c plus sin d? 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2. So we can write this equation in cos. So we can write this as sin 6x plus sin 2x is equals to 0 because it's in addition. It becomes easy to calculate. So sin c plus d formula 2 sin c plus d by 2 into cos c minus d by 2 is equals to 0. So now we'll continue the problem. So sine 6x plus 2, 2 sine 8x plus 2, 8x by 2 into cos 4x by 2 is equals to 0. So now 2 sine 4x into cos 2x is equals to 0. So if we transfer 2, that's it will cancel. So now sine 4x is equals to 0 or cos 2x is equals to 0. So let's take the case 1 as cos 2x equals to 0, case 1. So now cos 2x is equals to 0. That means 0 is equals to cos pi by 2, right? So 2x is equals to pi by 2. So x is equals to pi by 4. Its principal solution. So now what's general solution? So general solution, we need to take this equation. So now the general solution is 2n plus 1 pi by 2. 2x is equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So I think you know this 2n plus 1 is equals to pi by 2. If we solve the equation, we will get n pi plus pi by 2. N pi plus pi by 2. I will write n pi plus pi by 2 is a general solution, normal general solution. We know that the formula, we know this formula, but for pi by 2 we will get this formula. So 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So x is equals to n plus 1 pi by 4. Sorry. So x is equals to, so we can write this as n pi plus pi by 2 for substitution. So x is equals to n pi by 2 plus pi by 4. So this is one of the solution. So I will erase this. So now in case 2, sin 4x is equals to 0. So now it can be written as sin n pi. Sin n pi means 0. So 4x is equals to n pi. So x is equals to n pi by 4. So x is equals to n pi by 4. Yeah, n pi by 4, where n belongs to integers. So this is the answer. So in case 2, x is equals to n pi by 4, and another, or x is equals to 2n plus 1 pi by 4, or we can write or 2n plus 1 pi by 4, or we can write n pi by 2 plus pi by 4. So we can get this or this. So the solution is 2n plus 1 pi by 4 and n pi by 4. So now we are in 7th problem. So here, so by seeing this problem, there is a formula of sin 2x, so we will substitute the formula first. 2 sin square x plus, what is sin 2x? 2 sin x cos x, sorry 2 sin 2x sin x cos x whole square. So this is sin 2a formula is equals to 2. So now taking the square to the minus 2 is equals to 0. 2 sin square x plus 4 sin square x cos square x minus 2 is equals to 0. By seeing this, we can take 2 common. So sin square x plus 2 sin square x cos square x minus 1 equals to 0. So to transfer to the z side, so it will cancel. So sin square x plus 2 sin square x cos square x minus 1 equals to 0. So now we can take sin square x common. So sin square x 1 plus 2 cos square x minus 1 equals to 0. So now before doing this step, we will write 2 sin square x cos square x. So now minus, so we know that what 1 minus sin square theta is equals to cos square theta. So by that formula we can see 1 minus sin square theta. So we'll take minus common, so 1 minus sine square theta. So sine square x is equals to 0. We have what we have done, that we have taken this equation to this side and 1 minus sine square theta to this side. So now sine square x cos square x. So what is the formula? Minus cos square x formula. So minus cos square x. We know that 2 cos square x is equals to 1 minus sine square x. So this equals to 0. So now we will take common. So cos square x common. Cos square x 2 sine square x minus 1 is equals to 0. So cos x should equals to 0, or sin x is equals to 1 by root 2, plus or minus 1 by root 2. Sorry, so cos x can be 0 or sin x is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So plus or minus 1 by root 2. So now we will take case 1, cos x equals to 0. So I will erase the upper part. So now cos x equals to 0. So it is cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is equals to 0. That is x is equals to pi by 2. The principal solution is equals to x is equals to pi by 2. So x is equals to pi by 2. Actually we can write general solution as, we know that n pi plus or minus pi by, plus pi by 2 as the general solution. So we can write, so like we can write 2n plus 1 pi by 2 as the general solution, where n belongs to integers. So this is the general solution for cos x equals to 0. Now for sin x is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 2. That means sin plus or minus pi by 4. That means sin plus or minus. By seeing this, principal solution is equals to plus or minus pi by 4. Now general solution is equals to n pi, same as it is, n pi plus or minus pi by 4, where n belongs to z. So these both are the general solution for the given equation. Thank you. So now we are in the another bit, second one. So in the first one, the given root 3 sin x. So in this problem, so now we will divide. By seeing this problem, you can see that it's similar to formula. First let's substitute. First let us divide. So divide 2 on both sides. Divide by 2 on both sides. So root 3 by 2 sin theta minus 1 by 2 cos theta is equals to root 2 by 2. So now we can see it is in the form of sin a plus b or cos a, sin a minus b or cos a plus b formula. So what we will write? So we will write sin a plus b formula. So sin a, first we will simplify it. Sin 30 degrees means sin 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2. Sin pi by 3 sin theta. Sorry. We can write cos pi by 6 is equals to root 3 by 2, because we will get sin x plus theta. So minus sin pi by 6 into cos x cos theta is equals to, so it is in the form of 1 by root 2. For simplification, root 2 into root 2. Let us multiply and divide by root 2. So now it's 2 by 2 root 2. 2 to get cancelled, equals to 1 by root 2. So it is in the form of sin theta minus pi by 6 is equals to sin pi by 4. Principal solution. So theta minus pi by 6. So what is pi by 4? So we know that formula, n pi plus minus 1 whole power n pi by 4. So it is in the, so we got this. So now n pi plus piece of minus 1 n pi 4. So now theta is equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n pi by 4 plus pi by 6. So pi by 6 is equals to pi by 6, where n belongs to integers. So this is the answer. So in this we can see the cot x equals to cos x by sin x plus 1 by sin x is equals to root 3. So cos x plus 1 by sin x is equals to root 3. We will take the sin x to the right hand side. So cos x plus 1 equals to root 3 sin x. So now changing cos x to the right hand side, transferring. So root 3 sin x minus cos x. So we will keep that one like that only because we will get in the last term form. So now divided by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Divide by 2 on both sides. So now root 3 by 2 sin x minus 1 by 2 cos x is equals to 1 by 2. Is equals to 1 by 2. So now it is in the form of sin x minus pi by 6 is equals to sin, when sin 1 pi by 2 will occur, sin pi by 3. So sin x minus, so as x minus pi by 6, what is the general solution of sin n pi plus of minus 1 whole power n pi by 3. So now, so sin pi by 6 equals to n pi plus minus 1 whole power n pi by 3. So now x is equals to n pi plus of minus 1 power n, sorry, x is equals to n pi plus of minus 1 power n pi by 3 minus pi by 6. So this is the general solution for this question, where n belongs to